Tanner has an extreme love of motorsports and cars. And so giving him places for the things that he loves, that's really what a lot of the house was about. Hi, I'm Chrissie Beavis. I'm the designer of the Foust Residence here in Southern California. Tanner Foust and I met in rally racing, where a driver and a co-driver compete side by side in one vehicle, and you kind of rely on each other almost in life or death situations sometimes when you're going very fast on little dirt roads out in the middle of nowhere. And a couple years after we had been racing together, he found this property here, and we started designing right away. This house has a lot of intentional displays of Tanner's passions. In this case, knowing Tanner so well, I had the garage designed before I even saw the house. The garage from the outside is very unassuming. It looks like just a one-car garage, not very wide, not very big. That's kind of part of the idea, is that when you actually open that garage door, you go into a very long space, and you just don't even realize that there's actually a lift above your head until you go up the stairs in the atrium, and then you see that window, and a lot of people are very surprised. Even if they've seen the garage, they don't realize that there was a lift in there. They don't realize that there is a car being viewed from 3 other windows in other parts of the house upstairs. That element of surprise is pretty fun. Tanner gets a big kick out of it when he has guests over. So it's also that upper area is a place for Tanner's trophies, driving suits, helmets, and he has all of these things and he's proud of them. He's worked very hard for them, and having them be able to be on a display, it works really well. My architectural design sense is definitely more function over form. So when I interact with a vehicle, I want the function to be primary. I want it to function perfectly. I want everything to be at my fingertips. I want everything to work really well and to do exactly what I intuitively expect it to do. Then the form can come from that. The materials of the house harken back to the mechanical world. We've got a lot of stainless steel, concrete, all the way throughout the house. In the atrium, there's the bar grating walkway, which allows light through, but is also something that is more industrial and something that you would find on a car lift or in a mechanic's shop. Those details are all the way throughout the house without kind of overpowering the design. Having this window wall into this courtyard open all the way was a vision that I was sticking to. I did not want a post in that corner. My design firm also does fabrication, and so when it came to this particular spot, I couldn't find anyone to do it for me, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna have to do it myself. So I ordered all of the window panels exactly to the right size, and then fabricated a wooden piece to go in the corner so that when everything's closed, it appears that there's a wooden post there, but when everything's open, it completely goes away. He also has a tendency to collect things. He's got this amazing mug collection that in his old house was just completely ignored, and I was like, this is an amazing mug collection, and it's growing and developing all the time, so we need a way to display that. When you come into the main living space, you'll notice that things are really casual, where you can just open the doors, look at the water, sit out in the back, use the kitchen in a way that allows him to have guests really easily. That's something that someone needs when they travel all the time. That sense of escape is really important.